Hello parents and hi boys and girls. My name is Nisha and today we are going to learn a new topic in maths, and that is the odd and even numbers. Okay, so children, you are already familiar with the numbers and you also know the counting. So here are few numbers. Can you see them? Can you read out the number and associate some values with them? Okay, so what is this? This is 0. 0 means nothing. So we are going to start with number 1. Okay, so this is number 1 and I am going to place some objects below it. And this is a nice toy. So I am going to place one object before number 1. There is only one object all alone. This is number 2. Okay, so I have 2 toys for it, 1 and 2. That means number 2 has a partner. It has a partner and it has a complete pair. So children, the number which have a complete pair, that means which have a friend for themselves, are called the even numbers, and the numbers which doesn't have a pair, that means which are left all alone without a friend, are called odd numbers. Okay, so now let us see the other numbers and we will find out which all numbers are odd numbers and which all numbers are even numbers. What is this number? This is number 3 and I am going to place 3 objects below it. 1, 2 and 3. This is number 4. Now I need how many objects? 4 objects. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can count them. Yes, these are perfect 4 and they have pair also. This is number 5. Now let me see what objects I have in 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 here, 5. So 1 is all alone, 2 has a partner, 3 again has one complete set, that means pair, and 1 is left without any pair, or you can say without a friend. And in case of number 4, both sets have complete pair. See, these two are together, again these two are together. In case of number 5, first set is having a pair, the second set is again having a pair, but again one is left all alone without any pair. So just we have learned that the numbers which have pairs are even numbers and the numbers which doesn't have a pair are odd numbers. So let us see for number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it has a complete set. That means it is an even number. Let's see for number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 is left alone, all alone, number 7. And now let us see for number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and how much more we need? One more, 8. So they all have partners. So again 8 has partner, complete set. Okay, so these are even numbers. And let us count now for 9. Let me see if I have 9 objects with me. Okay, let me adjust. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, So now children, can you tell me which all numbers are odd numbers and which all numbers are even numbers? So yes, we can see that 1 is all alone without a partner. It is an odd number. Again number 3, 1 is complete set, but again without a partner, it is also an odd number. Number 5, again 1 is left without any pair. So that means it doesn't have a friend for its own. So it is an odd number. Number 7, you can see that the first set is having a pair, again pair, but the last one is remaining without any pair. So it is again an odd number, and 9 is also an odd number because 1 is left behind. So children, we can say that the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers, and when you will move on, when you will write down the higher numbers, it is very easy to understand that all the numbers which will be ending with these numbers will again be odd numbers. That means again 11 will be an odd number, 13 will also be an odd number, 15 will also be an odd number, 17 odd number, 19 again be an odd number, and it will keep on moving like this. That means 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, all these will be odd numbers. So we can say that the numbers which do not have a pair, complete pair, are odd numbers, and they will be ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay? And the numbers which have a complete pair, which have friends for themselves, are even numbers. That means 2, 4, 6 and 8 and even 10. 10 is also an even number. So all these numbers are even numbers. So they will be ending with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. So when you will move on to higher number, you will note down that 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and again 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30 and so on. They all are even numbers. So children who have already learned division, there is also a very important rule to understand that all the numbers which are divisible by 2 are even numbers. Okay? And the numbers which are you can't divide by 2 are odd numbers. But for beginners, you can just understand that the numbers which are not having a complete pair, which are not having a friend for themselves, are odd numbers, and the number which have a complete pairs are even number. Okay? So you have understood odd and even numbers. Now let me take a quiz for you. Okay? So I will be writing down the numbers and you have to tell me whether this is an odd number or an even number. Okay, the first number is, what is this? This is number 5. So we can draw 5 objects for it. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, can you tell me whether this is an odd number or an even number? See, the first one has a pair, the second one has a pair, and the third one is left alone without any pair, without any partner. So, it is an, yes, exactly, it is an odd number. Well done, children. So, number 5 is an odd number. Now, I will give you another number. This is number 8. So, let us draw something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now can you tell me whether 8 is an odd number or an even number? Exactly, it is an even number because all the sets are having a pair for themselves. That means it is a complete set. They have pair, they have partners for themselves. So 8 is an even number. So children, I hope you have understood with the concept of odd and even number. I will just give you a quick recap that all the numbers which are ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers and they don't have a complete pair, and the numbers which are ending with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are even number as they have a pair for themselves and they are also divisible by 2. So this is all about odd and even number. Keep practicing and we will meet you soon again. Bye bye.